Hi, I'm Lauren with Let Me Organize It, and today I'm going to share with you how to fold your clothes for your drawers or your suitcase. All right, so let's look into a little bit more difficult pieces now. Bathing suit. I got this really fun bathing suit rash guard combo for kayaking and tubing in Hawaii. So typically you won't have sleeves on a bathing suit, but I fold the bathing suits in half, and then what I tend to do is start from the bottom and kind of fold up. And it kind of makes it into a shirt. So there's that. Let's look at dresses. Here's a maxi dress. Super slinky fabric. I tend to fold in half, and then keeping the smaller part inside, fold in half again. On the table, you can then fold in half one more time, and then into thirds, or again in half, and then in half again. Just depends. How's it going to fit? And this is more for packing in your suitcase. I hang these otherwise. If you find that it's really difficult to fold something, hang it. Unless you don't have a lot of hanging space, totally fine to hang. Adults hang more of their clothes than they fold them. Okay, so then this dress, great dress. I didn't feel like bringing a hanger. It's not going to wrinkle, no big deal. So what I did was fold it in half. It kind of naturally is folding here at the waist, which works great for me. And then fold it down, fold it into thirds, and there you have it. I could also, similar to the tank top style, have started by folding this down first, then in, and then in again. And you pretty much end up with the exact same package, which just goes to show that there are multiple ways to do this. You don't have to just do it one way, whatever works for you. All right, how about intimates? So I always recommend packing those into a separate bag. It just makes it a little bit easier and neater. Your stuff's not hanging out everywhere. So I've got a sports bra. I always tend to take the straps and tuck them in. Same with the regular bras, tuck in, and then kind of put them together. Underwear, I'm a folder. Some people don't fold. That's fine. Whatever works for you. So what I tend to do is take the underwear, fold it in, up. So I'll show you that again. In, up. And that creates a nice little package. Some people like to do it this way, where you fold this up first and then in and in. To me, it makes a little bit bigger of a square, and I'm just used to doing it the other way. What about those thong underwear, you say? Sometimes I just recommend getting a nice little organizer. The Container Store has this great 8-section organizer, and you just throw them in there. There's no need to fold them. But if you want to be perfect and fold, it's very similar. Now, this one is not a string one, so the string ones are nearly impossible to fold, but you can try the same technique. Again, you'd fold it in, and up. Okay? And that kind of creates the same little package. And then when you fold them nicely, they can fit in your drawer like this. And they can also fit in your toiletry bag, or not your toiletry bag, your lingerie bag, like this as well. Put those bras in on top. And then I take my socks, and my socks are all pretty much like this. And I just kind of lay them up against there. Close that out. I put a slip knot in it so it doesn't come undone. And then I just kind of fold it over and tuck it. So that's how I fold the majority of stuff that goes into my suitcase or drawers. And I've got one more thing to show you with the sweater. So stay tuned.